Hello guys, today we are going to review our squishies. We just got them and they are so cool. So we are going to be looking at them right now. Right now. Okay, ready? I'm not gonna try. I was never really good at these. So I'm trying to do I'm gonna see if I can do a transition. Ready? 1, 2. Oopsie. I think that's better. But I'm doing a transition. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. So we are not gonna be viewing these ones back here, because they're small ones. Let's just get those out of the way. And the first one we're going to be reviewing is the ball. So the ball right here is pink tie-dye, and it's really cool because it's super bouncy and you can pretty much throw it at anything. For example, see how bouncy it is? It's really cool because, pink tie-dye, bouncy ball. It's pretty cool. Ugh! Why'd you do that? You dumb? What? Ugh. You still got the camera, right? Still got it. Okay. So, that's the cool bouncy ball. The second thing we're going to be reviewing is these hands right here. The reason I think they're really cool is because that, and they're just kind of cool, and it's very annoying, which somehow irritates people. But look, I can just. I really like these because they're annoying. Ow! Ow! Ugh. But since that, now we have the 9-inch. Hold on, we gotta do a dramatic zoom here. The 9-inch stretchy ball. I really like this thing because very trippy. Hold on, let me get this. I think that's better. Because look how trippy this is. Just isn't it trippy? There is anything in the world that could satisfy boredom, it'd be this. So, yeah. Okay, next review. So, this time we're going to be doing just a little squishy thingy. That, pretty cool. It's okay, doesn't really do anything special. Just, So let's just get that out of here. And then, now it is time for the tiny squishies. Okay, now that we're on to the tiny squishies, here they are. Time to open up this box here. Okay, so now that it's open, we can look at the first item, which is the squishy penguin, the squishy rainbow penguin, which is right here. His name is Timmy. Say hi, Timmy. Hi. Isn't he cute? I think he's cute. Except there's a hole where his brain's supposed to be. Must have undergone some surgery there. Okay. Next item is the Jumbo Pink Unicorn Mochi Squishy. Very complicated name, but here it is. Very bouncy, so we'll take you onto a higher educated surface. Let me have it. Let me have it. Taking it. Get onto a hard surface, and if you drop it, look what it does. Look, so it's super bouncy, kind of like a bouncy ball. Pretty cool. Ready? Back. But that was that review. Next is the Jumbo Blue Hamster Mochi Squishy. Same type, just different animal, different cup. Here it is. Pretty cute. Sounds weird when you slap it. Mario. Pretty cool. 6 out of 10. And the next next item is, what is it?
This one is a squishy little dolphin, whatever they're called. I forget what they're called. But it's just like him. So,
Yeah.
cute little guy. It's very squishy.
John Cena. Yeah,
We can
that's
get that
pretty
out
cool.
Of the way now.
Next item. That thing. Looks like it's coughing up an egg yolk.
Listen to this. It's like ASMR. So satisfying. Let's get that out of the way.
What's the next item?
Little donut.
Isn't there like a lot of these?
Yeah. I'll get all of them. Look at that. So first we have this little fox. He's adorable. And if you get these, then they smell at the bottom on that little cake part. Yeah.
Pickle sandwich.
You got that little guy. And now you have this little rabbit. So cute.
I want to try it.
They're all so cute. This little guy right here. It's going on his nose. Got those two. Get him out of the way for a second. Okay. We got the little fox.
Hey, I'm part of this.
Then we got the little rabbit. I don't know what this one is. I think it's either a cat or a dog. I think this one's
That's a cow. Comment what you think it is.
Oh, this one's adorable, the little chicken. Look at this guy.
What is it?
I don't know. I think it's like a panda or something.
Comment what it is.
All right.
Next
The
item.
next item.
Unicorn.
It's it's basically just, it's the same kind of squishy as this, but it's just, it kind of ripped on its neck, but who really cares? Squishy's always ripped. Here, you can sit on this side. Hi. Ow. Then we have this little guy right here. It's the same as that one we just did, that unicorn. It's like a little shooting star. Look it. What is he doing? Wake up! Oh, okay. He was just asleep. So this is this little guy. It's the same as what the unicorn, if you guys heard that. And it's just like this little star thing. It's really cute. Let's get that out of the way. This is a pile of squishies we've already done, and we still have a bunch left of that. Next, wake up! Next, we have the Chinese finger trap.
I actually know how to get out of one of these.
Yeah, me too. You just squish in, and you can take your fingers out. There, Chinese finger trap.
Let me try.
Okay, I'll put it under your horn. There. Does that hurt?
Owie!
Okay. Right, let's get that out of the way. This is a bouncy ball. I think it's really cool. It's rainbow. There's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple.
Cool. Look how bouncy it is.
Wasn't expecting that. Okay, next we got this.
Look at this big eraser.
Yeah, I'm gonna bring to school for really big mistakes. It's the mess of eraser. Next we have this little guy. It's a stuffy. It's really cute. Hi, my name is Ratty. Okay, he's gone. Then we have one of those little kitty boba mochi squishies. It's a little kitty. It's so squishy.
Smack it. It sounds weird.
It does sound weird. Okay, throw that over there. All right, now we got this little guy. It's another little mochi squishy, but they're little. Smacky. People collect these. They're so cute. Ready? Okay, now let's get on to the next one. Here's another one of those boba mochis. I think these two are like a little family. Because they're kind of like the same, like the mom.
This is the father. This is the adopted kid.
All right, throw those over there. And now we have this, which is the same kind as this one we did. It's the same kind of squishy, just different color and stuff.
I think it's so cool.
And then we have the fidget spinner. After this one, we only have one more to go.
I'm bored. Can we be done?
Almost. Okay, I'll hang that on your horn. It's like a fidget spinner. It's a fidget spinner and a poppet, and it's a keychain.
I don't like it.
Okay, I'll put it away. There. I know a lot of people like these. They're the little peas. Peas in like a thing. And there's a smiley face. Do you like that? Do you like that one? Do you like that one?
No. Not done yet.
Yes, we're done.
Yay.
Okay, guys.
Goodbye.